Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to remove TikTok watermark. To start, open the TikTok application. Now tap on this arrow icon on your selected TikTok video. Then select the option of copy link. Once the link is copied, close TikTok and open web browser. Here search for SSS Tick. Open the first website. Now paste the link which you have copied previously. Hit the download button. Here, select the option without watermark too. As you can see, your desired video has been downloaded without the watermark. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.